Good morning, welcome to the driver mod. My name's Anthony. Today we've got a action-packed day ahead of us. We're heading out to Bradenton Motorsports Park and the Freedom Factory to participate in Cletus McFarland's Spectator drag event. It's gonna be epic. If you've been a long-time follower of the channel, you know we participated in this event about a year ago and we had a ton of fun. Surprised a lot of people in the process. Not many people knew what this car was.
James gets the jump in the GTR.
Oh,
okay.
Mustang trying to make it low on the apron there. Oh, can you reel him back in?
Might be a little scared to take it to the wall.
Dude, the Mustang just out handling him.
Wow.
Wow.
Should have picked a Ford.
I had Cletus himself calling it, you know, a GT500.
A GT500.
I had other people calling it just a Mustang, but we all know what that is and what it can do. We could carry insane speeds around those corners compared to a lot of the other cars. If you go back and watch the videos, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Since then, if you've been following along the channel, you know we've done a ton to this car since last October. Not specifically for this event, but for this event, you know. We've got the ported 91mm throttle body from Solar Performance. That mod alone, I did some street testing. I saved 0.3 seconds on average in my 60 to 130 times without a tune. But once we did that testing, we went ahead and got a tune. We are currently on a flex tune. We're sitting at about 58% ethanol content. So we should, between the mod, the tune, the E85 mix, we should easily have 20 to 30 more horsepower from this setup. So last night we did some last minute modifications to the car. We added the Steeda camber plates so we can carry even more speed in those corners. We topped off the tank with E85. We were at about half a tank. We put 6 gallons of E85 in the car, so we're at about 58%, I think, is what the end gauge locked in the alcohol percentage at. Here we've got less weight, more power, and more aero. I like our chances. I'm ready to get out of here. I'm super excited. I hope you're excited. Enjoy this video. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be epic. I can't wait to see what happens. There might be rain in the forecast today, and I already know what this car can do in the rain. So let's get going. Matt is here. Here we go. Clean, dirty. Let's go.
How are you?
Mr. Slow Frankie in the passenger seat.
Bro, good.
I know, man. All right, you gotta get anything?
No, we're ready to go.
All right, let's freaking go. We made it to the Freedom Factory. We're about to unload the car, go to this driver's meeting, and then let the racing begin. Here we go. You're back again? You ready? Ah! Got through tech, got all the cars lined up. We're ready to go out and do some parade laps. We got about 25 to 30 cars on hand, so a little bit of a light load, but at the same time, it's always fun to go compete. Let's kind of give you a rundown of what we got. Got a Taurus show, we got a Mustang GT, got 2 C7s, and a Suzuki Rodeo, Alfa Romeo SUV, Mitsubishi Lancer, he's fast. Got the Mercury Marauder. A couple small body pickups, but you know they're packing some punch under there. Got Mike, if you remember guys, last October he won the whole thing here. Got another C7, but a Z06 this time. Competition Orange 5.0. Don't know what he's packing, but he must have something if he's here. course, we've got the 350. Look like some sort of turbocharged action. I guess we'll find out. Yeah. Were you here last October? Yeah. If I remember right? Yeah, okay. We got this monstrosity.
That's Parker.
Good luck. Yeah. Totally stock. We got Matt, his beautiful Liberty Walk C8. We'll see what happens. Whatever this is. Another Nissan small body truck. Got a C5, got a McLaren GT, got a couple Teslas, a 370Z, a boosted Mustang GT, S197.
Spectator drags, got the big wheels on it.
He punches the fence.
It's a hot one out here, you know, I gotta say myself and a couple people
Who's that?
cut our sleeves off because it is hot.
Yeah, you excited?
Warm one, we got high
Who do you think's gonna win?
degrees, but honestly, a beautiful day.
Yeah.
We got some good cloud cover.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, drop a comment down below. Let me know how the performance was from your perspective. Yeah, I'll let the video speak for itself. Just got done with the parade laps. We're all lined up, we're paired up. I don't know if I'm going to the one to the left of me or to the right. I don't know if I'm going to the one on the right of me, in front of me, behind me. They're gonna throw all sorts of curveballs in here, so I have no idea. But it looks like I'm either going up against, I don't even want to say, it could be anything. Cleese could jump in at any point. So, nerves as always, but I'm ready to have some fun. Good luck to Matt. He's way at the front. Let's go.
Who likes the Mustang here? Who's got that same joke?
First one. Woo! All the nerves kind of settle away once you get out on the track and you just start burning fuel. But car felt good. Carried as much speed as I can remember from last year. We got our work cut out for the next round though. It's either gonna be a Plaid, a Model S, a 370Z, who I know is fast. Or maybe we'll get the truck. Who knows? We're in round two. It looks like we're going up against a Tesla Model S. Not a Plaid, but still. it is best 2 out of 3. So hopefully we can, you know, take the first one, and if not, we'll see where we can make up some speed in the second one.
Who wants the Mustang to win?
Yeah.
Who knows that it might not? Coming down to the launch, best 2 out of 3. Looks like the Mustang. He's in the dead center of the track, therefore the Tesla's coming and taking the inside. Okay, head-to-head battle. This Mustang is going to eliminate our first Tesla.
Woo!
Let's get that Tesla out of here. What do you guys say? Who thinks this Mustang is going to eliminate our first Tesla? Let's get that Tesla out of here. What do you guys say? Can I get a hell yeah, brother, on 3? 1, 2, 3. God, you guys are the best freaking people in the business. Okay, for all the marbles.
Still best 2 out of 3, best 2 out of 3. Come on, baby.
Similar start to last time. You gotta keep that speed with these turns.
The inside. Go, 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 go. Come on, baby. Who is that, Grayson?
Oh guys, I'm ecstatic. We beat the Tesla. It didn't matter if we had the outside or the inside line. One for America, baby. All right guys, we just beat the Tesla. We might be going up against another one, but this time it's the Model S Plaid, so don't count on it yet. But we've made it to the final 6 or 8 cars. He's dealing with some overheating issues. So I don't know what's about to happen. This is round 3 still, sorry, I'm confused.
Got some wheelman in his phone. Make some noise, folks.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you stuck it to this point in the video, One, I greatly appreciate it, but you get treated with a special first official announcement, and it's a big one. The GT350 is going to SEMA. That's right, we are going to SEMA. We got Grayson and his entire paparazzi right here.
And little one.
How many are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. We're gonna be borrowing a 2-car trailer from our friend Dan. He's hooking us up with the trailer. Really appreciate it, Dan. Thank you, thank you, thank you. He brought the trailer out to the Freedom Factory so we could test fit the C8 mat in the Liberty Rock C8 is going to SEMA as well. So both cars are gonna be on the trailer, headed to SEMA, towed by, of course, the workhorse. That's what we got it for, so we're putting it to work. But hope you enjoyed that sneak peek. We'll do an official announcement video and live stream in the coming weeks. We're targeting to leave about Wednesday or Thursday the 27th or 28th. So stay tuned. All right guys, we're going to get to Model S Plaid. Here we go.
Who wants Uncle Chet to walk away? What about the Mustang? What about the Mustang?
Baby, go, baby, go.
Oh, it's a GT350. We got a Mustang boy down here. All right, here we go. Round 2. Check the GT350.
In the 4th round, got swept 2-0 by Tesla Model S Plaid, who just won the whole thing. So can't complain, but obviously I want to win every time. But we lost to the overall winner. We were the last manual standing, and we finished 3rd in the entire event. So we sent it. We had a great time. I'm proud of it. Everyone else was, rooting me on because, GT350, you gotta love the sound and the look of this car. Sorry, I stuffed it down the inside. I kind of scared you there, but this thing can stop. I was more worried about you. I was looking at making sure, please don't hit the wall, man. Like, I'm here for a good time, but.
Hey, you got it.
Hey, I couldn't beat the Model S Plaid, so.
Hey, they took me out last time too. So
yeah.
It is what it is.
That thing's fast.
It's insane.
It's so ridiculous, but yeah, good run. You'll see it on YouTube.
All right, man. It was nice meeting you.
Yes, sir.
I'm sure. I hope they'll see you around.
Yeah, where are you at?
YouTube.
Hey, buddy. Did I do good?
Yeah, you won 3 times.
Was it only 3? Yeah, it was. Dang it. That's gonna do it for today. Unfortunately, we didn't take home the win, but we had a hell of a good time. Got to go really fast, legally compete. I mean, checked all the boxes, fun. We delivered a fantastic show for the people here and watching online on the live stream. Got the car loaded up. We made it through 3 rounds, got eliminated in the 4th, and the 5th round was the money round, and we lost to the overall winner. So we'll take some solace in that, and the fact that we were the last manual standing. But it was a hell of a good time. Take care, everyone. Drive safe. We'll see you on the next one here at the Driver Mod.